Ever wondered what the difference is between serving white and red wine? Well, buckle up, because you're about to learn all the nuances that separate these two exquisite beverages. First, let's navigate the world of white wine. The first thing to remember is temperature. White wines thrive when chilled, ideally between 45 and 55 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature accentuates their crispness and vitality. A common mistake is to serve white wine too cold, which can mask its flavors and aromas. Now, how about the glass? A white wine glass typically has a smaller mouth, which helps to concentrate the aromas and direct them towards your nose. This enhances your ability to appreciate the wine's complexity and bouquet. Moving on to pouring, remember, don't fill the glass to the brim. It's recommended to fill only about 1/3 of the glass. This allows the wine to breathe and the drinker to properly enjoy the wine's aroma. Now let's dive into the world of red wines. Red wines are a different beast altogether. They prefer to be served at a warmer temperature, usually between 60 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows the bold, complex flavors and aromas to shine through. When it comes to the glass, red wines are served in larger glasses. The wider opening allows for more surface area, helping the wine to breathe and releasing its rich aromas. As with white wine, don't overfill the glass. Halfway is generally too much. Aim for about 1/3 full, again allowing the wine to breathe and the drinker to appreciate the bouquet. So there you have it, the nuances of serving white and red wine. It's not just about pouring a drink, it's about enhancing an experience, creating a moment. If this piques your interest and you'd love to learn more, or perhaps you're considering a career in the hospitality industry, feel free to reach out to Kumar. He's a seasoned F&B trainer who can provide in-depth training and insights into the fascinating world of wine service. You can reach Kumar at 9620385017. He's always eager to share his knowledge and experience, so don't hesitate. Give him a call and embark on your journey to becoming a wine aficionado today. Remember, every great sommelier started with a single sip and a thirst for knowledge.